Hi there. In this video, we'll be talking about how to create a new task, edit an existing one, and once the task is performed, how to download a task report. So as we can see, we can go to the menu. So in task, you have an option to create a new task from here. You may select the category that you want. If you wish to create or assign any tag to it, you may do that. You may define the priorities and subsequently you may assign it to your employee, technician or service engineer. If you need to add any approver or reviewer, you may do that also. The workflow allows that. Lastly, if we talk about schedule, you may set it up for a specific date, time, or otherwise you may make it recurring. So it would be sort of periodic task repeated on a specific interval. And once you have decided the frequency, you may set up the end date, or otherwise it would run indefinitely. So that is how you may create a task and assign it to an employee. Now, let's say you have created this task. Okay, so this is completed. Let's go to any task which may not have been started yet. Okay, so this is a new task. Now, if you wish to make any changes or any tweaks, you may simply go here and make changes. So to edit a new task that has not been started yet, you may simply edit from here. Once a task has been completed, you may go to the task and then download the task report from here. Of course, the task report is available here. So whatever task was performed, the details, if there were any notes made to that task, everything would be available here. But apart from that, if you wish to download the complete report related to the task, you may export the PDF report by going here. So once you download the report, it would look something like this. Of course, it would be personalized, so it would be a logo and all other details. And then it would also have details of when it was started and those sort of things. So this is how you may download the report. And of course, if you wish to send this report to somebody, so maybe any of your manager or stakeholder who is participating in the process, so you may simply click on mail and it would open up in this way. And once you have completed this, it would be sent as a task report. So they would be, when they receive this email, they would be able to click the report and access it. So this is how you may create a new task, edit an existing one, and subsequently, once the job has been completed, you can download the report or otherwise mail the report directly from here. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, drop me a message and I will be happy to answer. Thanks for watching.